Welcome back everyone to my channel. Yes, I'm going to show you one YouTube feature which will save your time. So let's see what it is. I'm on YouTube app and that feature is hidden in the videos. I will open up this video, and when you watch in full screen, you click this icon. But now you don't have to do that anymore. Guys, you just need to swipe up to enter in full screen. Now I will show you how to exit full screen. You just need to swipe down to exit the full screen. So this is the YouTube feature I want to show you in this video, and available in latest version of YouTube. Now guys, share this video so other people can also utilize this feature too. If you want to see it right now, just pause my video and swipe up to see the result. So this is the end of the video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.